Hello, wonderful parents. Ever wondered what makes parenting joyful? Today I'm sharing 5 secrets that will transform your parenting journey and fill your home with happiness. Let's quickly dive in. Number 1 is start your day with positivity. Morning time set a tone for the entire day. Whether it's a cheerful greeting, a fun breakfast, a dance party in the living room, beginning your day with a positive energy makes a huge difference. I love starting my day or starting my family day with a dance routine. It's a fun way to wake up and create an uplifting environment for everyone. Everyone is happy while they are just getting up. Some rubbing eyes and getting up, and dancing is the fun way to do it. Number 2, quality time matters. Families spending time together either through playing games or through enjoying each other's company by talking, expressing, fun loving, pillow talking, pillow fighting, all these things are little things, but it creates joy and happy environment for the whole house. It's easy to get caught up in daily tasks and forget spending meaningful time with our children. Set aside time each day for just 15 minutes to engage in activities you and your child loves. Game nights is a fantastic way to connect, have fun, and have lasting memories together. Number 3, positive reinforcement. Positive in reinforcement, like celebrating your child's achievements, no matter how small, boosts their confidence and encourages positive behavior. A simple, well done, I am proud of you can go a long way in motivating your child. Simple example, my daughter performed in a school function. Her performance, whether it was good or not, whether it was amazing or not, whether she was a center of the stage or not, as soon as she got down from her stage, I and my husband went, hugged her, and we both said, "We are proud of you, Ashrika." That big smile of hers even glowed. That is what is positive reinforcement. Number 4, open communication. Being able to talk openly with your children builds trust and understanding. Create a safe space where they feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and feelings. I always take time to listen to my kids. It helps them feel valued and understood, which strengthens our relationship. Guess what? Every week, without fail, I take my elder one for a solo date. Not because I want to enjoy with her, not because she wants to enjoy with me. That solo date helps us communicate, understand each other, and we share each other's secret with each other. Our bond has become stronger and amazing because of that little share. We don't go for days, hours. No, we go for 2 hours. But in 2 hours, we actually have so much of fun being silly, being funny, enjoying, carefree. All those feelings are coming together when we go on a date. That is a power of communication. That is a power of telling your child, I am there with you no matter what. I'll hold your hand even in tough times. I'll be there with you even when no one is there with you. And no mistake is that big that you cannot share from me. That thing consoles your child. Number 5. Last but not the least, self-care for you for you mothers, you parents. Parents struggle with self-care activity. Just reading book, listening to music, going for a walk. Taking care of yourself is crucial for being the best parent you can be. When you are happy and healthy, you can better support your own child. I always say, happy mother is equal to happy child is equal to happy family. All three are happy when the mother is happy. If I love reading book, if I love to go for walk, if I love to go for solo coffee date, let that be. It recharges me. It helps me to stay positive and patient. So these are the 5 secrets of joyful parenting. Remember, it is small. These are very little things. But these everyday moments that create lasting impact in your happiness. Start your day with positivity, spend quality time together, use positive reinforcement, maintain open communication, and don't forget to take care of yourself. Happy mom, happy child, happy family. Having said that, I have created this powerful community called the Joyful Parenting Club. This community teaches us 3 things. 1. Bond. 100% bond with your child. 2. Fulfilled family life. 3. Freedom. Freedom to do what you like. Freedom from your finances. Freedom of your own happiness. So these 3 is called my golden triangle, where I'm talking about bonding, fulfilled family life, and freedom. This is a world of a mother, and this is what is a vision of Joyful Parenting Club. So if you are the one who enjoyed the video, don't forget to write in the comment section what is that one thing which touched your heart. And if you want to be a part of this magical community of Joyful Parenting Club, share in the comments. Why do you want to join this community? And I will share the link for you to join. See you. Happy parenting. Bless you all.